welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new here, welcome, and I'm very happy to have you here with me today. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you would stay updated with all my posts. Sobrang na-excite ako para sa event ko today because this is like the very first time ever in my whole life that I will attend a cup sleeve event. So, sobrang na-excite ako. As you all know, I am a K-pop fan and I stan Stray Kids. So, since it was their anniversary yesterday and it was Hyunjin's birthday nung 20, SKZ Philippines decided to handle this event for them. This is my bias's birthday. This is my favorite group's anniversary, and it's my first ever cup sleeve event. So, I want to bring you guys with me sa aking first ever cup sleeve event dahil I want you guys to be part of it. Hopefully, yung mga Filipino stay, this would be a sign for you to join SKZ Philippines in their upcoming events. So, wow, nag-promote pa ako. Sobrang natutuwa ako sa SKZ Philippines dahil ang dami nilang mga events na i-offer for everyone, especially this year and the next coming years. So, ayun. So, guys, it's 9:28 a.m. and wala naman masyadong traffic on the way doon sa cup sleeve event. Kasi balak namin ng kapatid ko, aalis kami ng 10. Kasi baka mamaya masyado ako maaga. Ako pa magbukas ng cafe, di ba? Yeah, this is Taro. This is my baby boy. Alam niya siguro kasi aalis ako. Hi, Harley! Andito na ako sa garahe. At aalis na kami ng kapatid ko. Kuya, mag-hi ka. Hindi ka nakikita. Hi! Nung he. Nasa kotse na kami. Pero pupunta na kami ng Makati. Yan. Ali! I'm with Ali na today.
Hi, all my new subscribers.
Gonna wait for the cup sleeves.
안녕하세요.
Hi! It's a vlog! Yes, it's a vlog!
So for today's video,
Sige, ituloy mo yan. Hi, so today we'll be having...
Well, parang today we're already on our cup sleeve event. And we're helping. Mag-subscribe kayo sa kanya. May papandesal si Kuya. Hi guys, it's already 12:10 in the morning. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog after ng cup sleeve event. I went home. Tapos nakatulog ako. Ang sarap ng tulog ko kasi ibang klase yung pagod ko kanina. So, to give comments about the event, medyo onti lang yung videos na nakuha ko. Kasi masyado talaga akong nag-enjoy sa event na natuwa ako makipag-usap sa mga fellow fangirls and fanboys. And I met new friends. Shout out to Ali and Ian and Donna. Shoutout na rin sa SKZ Philippines. Congratulations, you guys made a wonderful event happen. Pagkarating ko dun sa Snow Panda, nag-aayos pa sila ate. They apologized in advance kasi hindi nila mabubuksan yung aircon. I think sira ata yung aircon nun. Pero understandable naman, it's okay. Mga 11 a.m., inantay lang namin ni Ali yung mga kits kasi pinadala sa amin nung core. And then after getting the kits, nag-organize na kami. It was just a small table, pero ang dami nilang nabigay na freebies at tuwang-tuwa ako. Gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. Wait lang. Pagpasensyahan nyo na kung medyo madilim. Kasi kaklase ko si Raj. Hello, Raj. Sinasabi niya, ang dilim daw ng kwarto ko. Okay lang naman. So, ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung mga nakuha ko. Ito, nakuha ko Bang Chan. Dalawa pa siya. Ginupit ko na siya. Actually, kasi nung nakuha ko siya, nasa iisang papel siya. So, ganito siya. Yan, pandesal. Ito na yung mismo sa event na talaga. Meron kaming Hyunjin na cup sleeve na nakuha. Sobrang gwapo mo naman. Meron pa kaming nakuhang Stray Kids cup sleeve kasi nga anniversary ng Stray Kids ng 25. Tapos merong parang maliit na banner for Stray Kids. Tapos merong malaking banner para kay Hyunjin. Nagbigay pa sila ng sandamakmak na photo cards. Syempre tuwang-tuwa ako kasi bias ko to. So, ito yung isa doon. Sorry kung madilim ha. Ito, ang gwapo naman talaga. My love. Char. Tapos, itong picture ng group photo ng Stray Kids. Ano siya? What do you call this? Hollow? Yan. Oh, hollow. Ayan yung mga nakuha kong freebies from the event. Basta mag-purchase ka lang ng drink from Snow Panda, bibigyan ka na ng gantong freebies. Grabe, sobrang saya talaga ng event. Ang dami kong ni-meet for the first time. Ang dami kong nakachikahan. And alam mo yung feeling na it was your first time seeing each other. But dahil pareho niyong mahal yung Stray Kids, it's as if you've known each other for a long time. So, sobrang love ko yung relationship na yun. And everyone was very nice. Everyone was so caring. Kukwento ko sa inyo yung isa, sobrang memorable ni ate girl sa akin. Kasi ewan ko, it's about the little things, no? Since the venue didn't have aircon, init na init ako nun kasi tinutulungan ko yung core namin, making sure that everything is organized. When I went out ng Snow Panda, merong isang girl na nginitian ko. And nakita niya na gumaganon ako. Sabi ko, grabe ang init. And she was offering me her fan, yung pamaypay niya. And I said, oh no, it's okay. Pero sobrang memorable lang sa akin kasi it was a new environment for me. It was a new place for me. And sobrang na-appreciate ko si ate na nag-offer ng fan. Sis, kung nanonood ka man, maraming salamat talaga. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung maliit na bagay na yun. Afterwards, medyo maikli, hindi naman sa medyo maikli, pero the event was so fun na ang bilis nung pangyayari. Next thing I know, it's time for us to go home. I'm actually excited to attend more events. For sure, hindi yun yung huli. You know, this is just the beginning. Hopefully for the upcoming events, mas marami ng tao. Although, marami naman talaga nag-attend kanina. Alam ko more than 10 kami doon. Kung hindi pa kayo nagsastan ng Stray Kids, istan nyo ng Stray Kids. Ano pa inaantay nyo? Ano ba naman yan? So, thank you sa mga nanood. I really appreciate it na you guys reached this part of the video, no? Hopefully, you guys would continue to support me by liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Once again, I'm Mayu, and I hope you enjoyed. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!